Okay, so why don't you tell me that?
So this is the GUMP granulator. It's a big coffee grinder. It was built in the, I believe, the 1960s. And it's built on a big steel I-beam, so it's built to last. It's got a simple motor here on the bottom. It has rotary burrs on the inside of it there. There's 4 of them. There's 2 here and then 2 here, and they just kind of crush the coffee in different increments there. You can adjust the different grinds by these levers that are right here. Same loading principle as the Revimo. There has a pneumatic loader. Just sucks up the product up to the top there and blows it down there. And I'll fire it up here so we can hear it running up.